Hello and welcome to Adi Labs. Today we are going to have a look at accelerometer using Adi Mini. So we have a very simple setup in front of us. The accelerometer connected to our Raspberry Pi, which is our Adi Mini. So an accelerometer is a device which is going to sense some sort of disturbance in the movement or a device. So here's the software. The software used are Python and Raspbian OS. So that's the accelerometer, and that is X direction. This is Y direction, and the opposite sides would be the negative X direction and the negative Y direction. So the disturbances in these directions would be sensed, and the values will be accordingly given. And now let's just run the code. And now here I have accelerometer in my hand. So let's try to create some disturbance and we'll have a look at the values that we are going to get. So let's run the code. So now if you can see, we are getting few values here. So we are going to focus on these values itself. So when the accelerometer is now moved in the X direction, you can see the X value is changing and we are getting the values. So this is the positive X direction. Let's just have a clear look once again. So you can see now this would be the positive X direction, and we can see the X is increasing, and that would be the negative X direction. As you can see, the negative values we are getting in the X, and this would be the Y direction. You can see the Y values are increasing, and this would be the negative Y direction. So now let's just stop this and let's just take the real-time scenario by attaching our accelerometer to a toy car. So the code is written in such a way that if any this type of disturbances are occurred, which will be sensed by our accelerometer, okay, a message will be sent to a registered mobile number. Okay, so let's just have a look. So let's run it. And now let's move our car in a format of as if an accident is occurred. Okay, so what exactly happens? A car flips usually, right? So same movement I have given to my car, and you can see a message is sent to a registered mobile number stating that sorry about this accident message, your friend needs help. And here is my mobile. You can see I have received a message regarding the same, sent from the same account. You can say sorry about this accident message, your friend needs help. Thank you guys.